Hey guys, what's up? This is Mike with A&M, and today I started a tree removal service. So we're at our first tree now. I'm going to show you guys the lift I just picked up from a rental company, because obviously we can't afford to own a lift yet, but we're going to use this lift and cut this tree. I actually got a guy who has tree removal experience. He's coming, so he's going to do most of the cutting, but we're going to see if this works out, and maybe we'll have more tree jobs in the future. So let's get to it. All right guys, so here's the lift I rented. It's just a pull behind, and he's got experience using that because I didn't even ask them how to use it. And then here is the tree. So it's a pretty big tree, and then there's one over there as well, right next to that shed. He's gonna go up there, cut these limbs off, and then he's got a skid steer and a dump trailer, but they actually had a tree fall onto their roof, and that's why they're having these ones removed. Down here, we've had a couple ice storms lately, so we've gotten a lot of tree calls lately. So once they get here, I'll show you guys him cutting the tree, and then hopefully he doesn't damage anything, or this video might get some views for some other reasons, but I got faith, so let's go. All right guys, we cut some of these limbs. Now we're gonna try to just cut the top of that and let it fall over there. So that's what we're doing. All right guys, we got it roped to the machine. He's about to go up in the lift and cut it, so here goes nothing. Well, it's all on the ground now, so we got to just pick it up. All right guys, we're in the middle of cutting these two trees, and the homeowner just got home, and they had a tree crash through their roof while they were sleeping. So we're gonna go inside and check out what happened to this house. All right. As you can see, this tree completely destroyed their roof. They said they're waiting on the rafters. It might be 3 to 4 months, and they're stuck in a hotel. You want to say anything?
No, we're gonna fix my house.
Yeah, man. They've lived here for 20 years, and a big sweet gum came through and just absolutely destroyed their whole house while they were sleeping. They moved all their stuff into storage, but as you can see, they put these boards up just to keep this tarp up. So now we're gonna go check out over here. We'll see their bedroom where this tree literally landed. Oh yeah, here's the bathroom. Completely destroyed. Oh yeah. Yeah. So they definitely are gonna need some repairs. Then we got their actual bedroom. So you can see their bed was right here, and this was the foot of their bed, and there's still a log right in there. So he said God had his hand in this one and saved them, because it could have been way worse. So luckily only the house can be fixed.
Yeah. Show the bathroom right here.
Oh, there's the bathroom over here. Oh yeah. So they're gonna need a whole house renovation. But yeah. So it just shows how much damage these trees can do. So we took out a big tree that he said was about the same size as the one that came crashing down. So I'm sure he woke up in the middle of the night with a loud boom of thunder. All right guys, we got that big tree topped off, as you can see in the video, and that one back there, we had it drop. I know he's got the chainsaw going right now, but we got it all down, so we just are taking loads to the dump. I didn't get a video of that other tree dropping because I was at the dump unloading, but so far so good. So I'll show you guys a video when it's all completely done. All right guys, we're just cutting the stumps a little bit here, and William's over there cutting that one. And we're gonna clean up and get out of here. All right guys, we are done. Just gotta leaf blow some of this, but Besides that, everything looks pretty good. The customer knew that those bushes were gonna get damaged and stuff like that, and they're happy with everything. Now, they wrote us a check, but it actually was in a different tree company's name. So somebody put a bid in their mailbox that was like very similar to ours, like the price, and they thought we were the same people. So they gave us a check with somebody else's name on it, and they thought we were doing the stump grinding as well. So that's one thing starting this company that I would really stress, is that we actually should write them a quote or email them a quote, so everything's in writing, because now it's just my word against theirs. And now they're like, oh, you said you were gonna do the stump grinding, and I said all I was gonna do is give you guys the number of a guy who does stump grinding. So whatever. Besides that, they're going to get me a new check, and I told them, you know, we'll talk about the stump grinding later. One of those things that starting this company definitely should have got in writing, which I should have known that anyways. It only takes one mistake to, you know, make sure you do things right going forward. So I'm going to talk a little bit more when I get back about this whole overall job, how it went, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so like I said, we are finally done with that tree removal job. Being that was the first tree removal job I've done of that magnitude, it was literally like my heart was pounding the entire time. These people already had a tree fall on their house. The inside of their house is just completely destroyed. So that's why they wanted to get these other trees removed. Besides that, everything went good. The customer, like I said, actually gave me the wrong check. So that was interesting too. I mean, there were so many things that happened during this whole course of this job. It took us 2 days, but now we're done. Now they're going to get me a new check. But yeah, overall, besides the gut-wrenching feeling I had the whole time, it all went pretty good. Like always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. If you want to see more videos, or if you want to critique us or tell us things we could have did better, don't forget to leave a comment, and thanks for watching.